I'm Greg McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law, helping seniors protect their assets and legacies. And we're going to talk about something extremely important today, nursing home contracts. Now, this is nothing new, but this is something that I've seen nursing homes trying to collect on and coming after the responsible party, which may be a child lately. There's a couple of instances that I've seen lately of this happening. And we want to keep you abreast and alert of any new changes in the law and any new changes in kind of the field of estate planning and elder law. And this is a change you need to know about. And we're going to tell you what you need to do before you sign nursing home contracts saying that a loved one is going to be taken care of and you're the power of attorney or legal representative, okay, or personal representative. They also call it responsible party. Brenton is with me today. Hey, Brenton.
Hey, how's it going? We, this is a very important topic, and we wanted to address it because we've seen, some pitfalls here. We, first of all, do not want to discourage people from utilizing the services of facilities like assisted living and nursing home. They have their place and they do a great job. But, it's a contract that you're signing. The contract, like any other contract, you should know what it says and know what you're signing up for. We want to warn you of a couple things that may be in those contracts, and also encourage you to probably seek the help of an attorney to review that contract before you sign it, because you want to make sure you know exactly what it is that you're signing up for. So, Greg, these contracts that we've seen lately, the person that's being gone after, the person that's being held liable, may not be the person who you think it would be, right?
Which is a weird position. So I'm an estate planning and elder law attorney. So is Brenton, okay, for our firm, for McIntyre Elder Law. And I'll tell you, before we bring a suit against someone else, we want to make sure we're bringing it against the right party, right? If we're going to sue someone for something for you. And this is a really weird place for any attorney to be in, where you're trying to sue someone who you may know isn't really responsible because you're trying to bully or scare them into paying a debt for their mother or father. And I'm seeing that happening right now from attorneys who are representing nursing homes. And I think that's potentially a punishable or sanctionable offense. That's called a Rule 11. So I think that's one concern for the attorneys doing that out there. I think there's also a concern for the children or spouse of someone going into a nursing home. You want to make sure that you steer clear of taking on financial responsibility for the other person's debt. Unless that's what you want to do. If you want to sign as a guarantor, a guarantee, if you want to be like a co-signer on a loan for a car, so to speak, except it's for nursing home services, that's your prerogative. And I'm sure that a home would let you do that. But you don't have to do that. And what's happening is their standard forms that they use to make you a power of attorney or personal representative. They're turning around and trying to use that, saying you have a financial responsibility. And that's not okay.
Yeah, and the crazy thing is this financial responsibility, it says in these contracts that, hey, you're not a guarantor on this, on this bill owed to the nursing home loved one, family member. But we're going to make you a quote unquote responsible party, the resident representative, where you have powers like a power of attorney, but you're also somehow contractually obligated to do things for the nursing home, which is a very weird position, because many times these people are powers of attorney for the person going into the nursing home, and they have a duty to that person to act in good faith.
And I want to be clear too, that person that is acting in good faith as a power of attorney for their mother or father or spouse, there's no contractual duty. It's our legal opinion that there's no contractual duty between the power of attorney and the nursing home at all. In fact, there's a conflicting contractual duty between you and the person you represent as the power of attorney acting in good faith and their best interest, and what the nursing home might want you to do with their money or property. So that's a really conflicting thing. And the nursing home is being selfish and trying to collect for their best interest, and rightly so. But I think they're pushing it too far. They're pushing the envelope, and they're trying to come after children, which is scary. And I want you to be aware of that trend that I'm seeing and that we're seeing. We're representing, we've gotten cases like that. We're representing people on now. And before you sign a nursing home contract, you should come talk to us. Not only can we help protect your hard-earned money and property and your family's hard-earned money and property and your loved ones' hard-earned money and property, but we can also help steer you clear of murky waters that nursing homes might be trying to put you in without legal counsel. You have the right to be represented in that transaction. I guarantee you a lawyer for the nursing home wrote the contract they want you to sign.
That's right. And you don't have to sign it there at the nursing home. Despite all the pressure, despite all, them trying to just rush you through it, so that's what I've heard. I've heard sometimes, it's rushed through it. I don't know everything I signed. My mom, she needs help. I'm trying to get her help.
Right.
So I'll sign whatever she needs to get help. You're in a tough situation. In fact, I'd argue in some situations you could be under duress because you're just trying to get your mom help. You're trying to get your loved one help. So you would do anything.
Like me telling you before you come in the hospital, Brenton, with some type of problem that you really need help with, I'm going to slap a contract on your chest on the gurney there and sign right now, right? I mean, you'll sign anything at that point, right? So don't feel like you're in that situation. We call us. We'll see you. We'll offer a free consult for that matter. That's at least $150 to $300 value. You can go to mcelderlaw.com to collect on that free consult and schedule in our firm at multiple locations where our offices are right there. And I'm telling you, this is something we're hot on. We don't think it's okay, and we're coming out guns blazing. So
if you find yourself in this situation right now, give us a call because this is a tough situation to be in. It's unfortunate. It's not right, and we want to fight these things.
Agreed.
That's what we're for.
Thank you, Brenton. We'll be back next week with another Elder Law Report and update on this issue.